Okay, my friends, so now what we're going to look at is we're going to look at this Monte Carlo simulation of the exam that I took when I got certified for the CPR class. So the idea is, the assumption is that we are using the answer choices randomly. And when I say we, I mean whoever designed the exam is designing the answer choices A, B, C, and D to be assigned randomly. So if you look up here in the spreadsheet, what I actually did was I generated random numbers, and based on those random numbers, I pulled A's, B's, and C's, and D's based on the values of those random numbers. So if you're interested in how this is working. So right now, currently, if you look down this exam, there are 18 runs in this exam. So here's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So 18 times the letters change, basically. Okay, I can run it again. There's another exam. That time we had, looks like we had 19 runs, and we can do it again. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do it. I'm having Excel actually keep track, which is what you're looking at in this graph. So far I've tested 2 exams, and of those 2 exams, the first exam had 18 runs, the second exam had 19 runs. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at many of these exams as I re-randomize. So that one right there once again had 19, that one had 22, that one was constantly changing. That one there had 19 again, that one had 20, and so forth. So what we need to do is we need to build out this we got to build this curve out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my handy dandy stapler, and I'm going to let this thing start to re-randomize. There it goes. And just like I usually do when I start doing Monte Carlos, I'm going to go ahead and walk away, speed this thing up, and come back when we've got a few thousand trials. Okay, my friends, that's probably enough data. Man, some of these are cool. I wish I had seen the 25 run case when they were all unique. That would have been a fun one to see. And it looks like the smallest one we saw was 10. Here, I'm gonna make some of these fonts a little bit bigger to make them a little bit more obvious for you to see. There we go. Yeah, so it looks like, I wonder, let me do one more thing here. There we go. Took the zeros out so it's easier to see. So the smallest number of runs we saw was 10. The largest was 25, but you can see our wonderful little central limit theorem bell curve showing up. And I just, I'm going to, in wonderment one more time, that bell curves show up as often as they do. What a wonderful tool we have at our disposal. Okay, so now you've got your results. So as you go back to the exam, keep this video up, at least this window up, because you're going to need the results from this Monte Carlo simulation to answer the next couple questions.